Good morning. I'm Bill Cook, and we're over here at the Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in the demonstration gardens, and we're doing a little bit of planting today. Behind the camera is one of our AmeriCorps members, Skylar Jones. Say hi, Sky. So today what we're talking about is extending the growing season. One of my favorite tools is floating row cover, and you'll see it's a thin fabric, and it's made just for us gardeners. Water and air pass through it, but it does provide some degree of protection as far as temperatures, and even a little bit of degree of sun, protects just a little bit from all that. And it also is a good barrier against insects. So it can be used for a multitude of things. One of my favorite other uses for it is frost protection. Sometimes here in Duncan we'll have a frost in October and then not again until November. So what I like to do is take a roll of this and roll it out over my cantaloupes, and I'll get another month of picking if I keep the frost off that one time. So it's just all around good stuff. It even keeps the grasshoppers off. So this is the lay flat method here. This is temporary. When the plants start getting up a ways, we're going to have to take it off. It's called a floating row cover because it can float on top of the plants as they grow. The only drawback to that here is that the wind blows a lot in the spring when things are growing. So you have to anchor it pretty good. Now a solution to that situation is what I call a low tunnel. Here we've made a frame of wire to support the floating row cover above the plants, much like a miniature greenhouse. Now here you can see what I've done is I've made these hoops out of, this is just some old fence wire, some old smooth wire I had around. I've used grape trellis wire, but what I did was I cut a piece about 6 foot long because my row cover comes in my row cover that I have comes in a 7 foot width. Comes in all different widths. But you can see I've taken that piece of wire and I've made a loop down the middle. Some people like to make 2 loops. So what I do here is I stick the ends into the soil of my garden. I take this piece of rope down the middle, and this is always fun in the wind, and I make myself a little loop. I put it through the hoop in the wire and pull it up, pull it tight, and secure the end, this stake. Just drive that stake in a little bit further, making sure not to hit a water line. I tie it around this stake, and you can see that this rope down the middle, which is secured on each end in the same way and secured on each hoop in the same manner, holds it secure. And I just pull it up snug. Put some rocks along the bottom edge, and we're good to go. And of course, one little handy dandy trick I have found for keeping the ends secure is good old-fashioned clothespin. Just punch that up there, put a clothespin on it, and we're good. It's like a miniature greenhouse. And you can leave this on. My lettuce usually keeps going. In the tunnel goes probably 3 weeks longer into July than the lettuce without. So what if you want to go the other way? What if instead of trying to keep it cool, you're wanting to warm it up in anticipation of planting chilies and stuff? When you're putting out your starts, your soil temperature needs to be warm to a lower depth. The top of the soil might be that 85 or 90 that's perfect for chili seeds, But you go down there the depth of, say, a quart container, maybe 5 inches, your soil temperature might still be quite a bit cooler. You put your chilies and your tomatoes into cool soil, it's going to put a hitch in their get along. It'll stunt them just a little bit. And if you jump the gun way too early and put them into cold soil, it's going to have a serious impact on your production. So one way to warm the soil sooner for an earlier planting season is to use something black. This is just black trash can. You can use weed barrier, you can use anything. But this will absorb the heat and your soil will warm at a much more rapid pace. So there's 2 little tricks for keeping it cooler and keeping it warmer. Have a good time and happy gardening.